morning, guys. Welcome to your day, and we have our breakfast here in the hotel. Breakfast kaya kasi breakfast kasi we have a tour to Fatima today. And baka malit kami kasi 9 yung pick up and it's already 8. It's already 8:25. Maglalakad pa kami doon sa pick up point. So, let's go. I'm going to the meet up for the Pombal. Let's go. Outfit check. This is my outfit for the day. Let's go. Good morning, Portugal. Let's go. Let's go, Portugal. Baka malate kami sa aming tour. So we have to hurry. Let's go. We're in the park walking. So it's around 25 minutes walk from our hotel. Yan. So let's go. Ang ganda nung ano nila, yung stones. Actually, cobblestone siya, kaya medyo, hindi naman slippery. Yes, we're nearing the end. 3 minutes, ando na kami sa may rotonda. So, we're going to Marquis de Pombal Square. Doon yung meet up ng kluk namin for the Fatima tour. Pagod kasi uphill yung aakyatan mo. Actually, pwede mag-taxi, pero kasi exercise natin. Ayan na, malapit na siya. We're here. Our bus.
Resalito de la Plaza Marqués de Pombal, excursión sobre las 7 de la tarde. So as you can see, we have a long day, many interesting places to visit, and a long day contactar a lo largo del día. Voilà, j'ai en téléphone just Portuguese towns: Lisbon, Porto, and Coimbra. This town is located 300 kilometers north of Lisbon. And between Lisbon and Porto, we have the third town called Coimbra. And you saw, and you can check that we still have lots of cars heading towards Lisbon. Lisbon is the largest town in our country with a population of 550,000 people. But in Lisbon metropolitan area, we have almost 3 million people living there. And many of them drive daily from Spain, crossing central Spain and central Portugal, flowing towards the ocean. The river is almost 1,000 kilometers long, and it has its mouth into the sea, 16 the banks of the Tagus River. So it's the region that is crossed by the Tagus on its way to the ocean. It's a very fertile area with lots of water for artificial irrigation. And the water that comes from the Tagus and from all its tributaries. And it's important for the production of cereals. Construído no local onde Nossa Senhora apareceu no ano de 1917, and it's up there where Fatima is located, at a height of 350 meters above the sea level. And the shrine of Fatima was built on the site where the Virgin Mary 17. The Virgin Mary appeared to 3 children, 3 shepherds, living in the village Al-Justral, one of the several villages we have in the mountain area. And today, Fatima is considered to be the second Marian shrine in Europe. The main baratitas hechas de molde, de plástico. El mismo se pasará con las medallas. Hay medallas de oro. Dentro do ônibus, em frente tem a porta de entrada.
Stop kami sa parang ano siya, pabrika siya ng mga rosary. So dito mas mura daw. Na actually not rosary, pero mga souvenir. Mas mura daw siya compare sa Fatima. So, and may discount kami. Actually, our tour, binili namin siya sa Klook. And our parents, hindi sila nakaabot. Kami lang ng aking bro. So, yan. Tingin muna tayo ng mga souvenir. Yan. So, mga souvenir namin. Actually, ang dami rin talagang kumuha ng tour. Ang dami eh. Maganda. Yan, mga rosary. Maliit. How much? Oh, 11 euros. Ang dami. So, factory siya ng mga rosary. Kaya medyo mas mura. So, ito yung price ng rosary. Yan, Fatima Rosary. Meron din dos. Ayan o. Rosary siya ng Fatima. $2 lang. I mean, 2 euros. May mga figurine din. Ito, medyo mahal. Mga 11. Ayan. Portugal souvenir. Video call sila since naiwan ko sa aking parent house. Ayan.
Para kanino ba?
Mga souvenirs here. Marami. Ito, bibila ko na. Sorry. Ayan. 250 euro lang sa akin. Namin sa akin here. May discount ka pala. May silver and gold. Dami ko. Fatima na pendant. A pendant na Fatima. Oh, cute. Pendant na Fatima. Maybe I'll buy one. Pendant na Fatima siya. Pendant. So, maybe I'll buy one. Ang dami po. Oh, meron pang Last Supper here. Ang dami, no? Ayun, no? May Holy Family. Ayan. Ayun, meron din palang gold din, no? Ang dami. Kulang ang oras namin. Ang dami ko. Kulang na oras namin. Kasi 30 minutes lang yung binigay sa akin. Ayan pa sa mga gold here.
What is this? Is it the silver?
Yeah, this is all silver. Here we have just the silver and gold. This is all silver.
Oh, okay.
Kulang lang sa akin. Hindi ko kaya. Maikinig lang tayo ng mga bus na. Have to hurry up. That's so weird. I only have it for you kasi we will fly, so hindi kami pwedeng gawin mabigat na luggages. So let's go. Dami mga kitang na actually. Have to pay first.
Let's go. Here we go. Thank you. A little bit. Fast shopping. Fast. Pabalik kami. On time. Shopping so fast. Hindi kami pang fast shopping. Kasi talagang kailangan ng stick. Kakayanin kung ikaw malilit, diba? So, nakabili naman kami. We got to be cute. Now, we're going to final to the Fatima.
Ayun ang aking pera.
Ito kita namin kayo. Ito yung masabi. Ito yung
Separando pro relógio. So, I'd like to thank for those who were back to the bus on time. For those who were delayed, please next time just have a look to your watch. I know that time runs very fast, and here with the shopping it's always a problem, but please. Aquí camina días, semanas para llegar aquí la víspera del 13. El día 13 es el día más importante porque la Virgen siempre apareció el día 13. En mayo y octubre son las peregrinaciones. Y mucha gente que cuando llega al santuario camina de rodillas hasta llegar a la capilla de las apariciones. So this monument is to all the people who walk to Fatima. We still have this old tradition of walking to Fatima. People leave their homes days or weeks before. The idea is to get to Fatima on the eve of the 13th. The 13th is always the most important day, especially the May the 13th and October the 13th. These were the days of the first and last apparitions. Está decorrendo a missa na Basílica, aquela que está no cimo da escadaria, onde estão enterrados os pastorinhos. Durante a missa não deixa.
We're going to Fatima's. Bilis lang. Yung Fatima, yung Fatima is yeah, it's cool. Yung Fatima is malapit lang pala yung souvenirs ko. Number one, do wear comfy shoes kasi stones talaga siya. Ang ganda. Madaming picture stop. Okay. So, sama-sama muna kami kasi yung aming somehow making place. Guys, wear comfy shoes kasi talagang puro stones siya. Ayan. Heels is not very advisable. So, maganda rubber shoes. Oh my, ang laki! Sa picture nakita ko, ang liit niya lang. Damn! Maubos ang oras mo dito. Pero, so, the history of the Fatima is, nagpakita dito si Mama Mary sa 3 bata. So, nung nakita nila si Mama Mary, the next following, I think very important is yung May 13th. So, doon nagtayo sila ng little chapel. And then after that, nagtayo na sila ng shrine, paunti-unti. So, madami rin talagang nagpipilgrimage here. Ang laki, wait lang, papakita ko sa inyo guys. Kita nyo? Ang laki siya. Okay. San yung tomb?
Ito ba sila yung tomb ng mga yung 3 bata. Kanina nagpakita sila.
So, punta muna tayo sa tomb.
Tingnan naman tayo sa chapel. Kasi
Di ba 12 daw ang mass?
hindi naman ba nag-celebrate? Yan yung ginagawang pilgrim. Video na ito.
Ito, parang maglalakad ka.
Nakatuhod.
Nakatuhod ka lang, wait. So, itong pathway, ayan, nakikita nyo. Yan yung pilgrimage nila. From there, ayan, nakikita nyo. Naglalakad sila paluhod. So, I think, not ideal na maglakad dito. parang courtesy na lang. So, yun yung pilgrimage nila. Wow! Ang laki niya, grabe guys. So big. So, mag-aano muna kami. Pupunta muna kami ng chapel. And then, pupuntahan namin may statue. Andun si...
So, chapel dito natin. Doon daw nagpakita sa mga Christian.
yan yung unang chapel na ginawa.
Doon sa Basilica, doon nakalibig.
Mga bata. Okay. Feeling ko pupunta.
Guys, please do like, one prayer.
Yeah. Kukunin agad kayo nila. Let's look at, this is the whole pilgrimage. So guys, ito yung chapel. Diyan nagpakita si Mama Mary. Ito yung basilica. Diyan nakalibing yung 3 bata kung kanina nagpakita si Mama Mary. And dito, andyan yung parang si Jesus or something. Medyo hindi ko na naiintindihan ata yung part na yun. Tutour muna tayo here. Nagkamusta sa akin. Ayan. Pili ko ang holy. Grabe. So guys, nakikita nyo, ganyan yung pilgrimage dito. Yun yung luluhuran mo. Tapos mag-walk ka hanggang dun sa mini chapel. Usually, big celebration siya dito. Ito yung chapel kung saan nagpakita si Mama Mary sa 3 bata. So ito yung unang little chapel na ginawa nila noong May 13. Alam ko, 1917. If I remember it correctly, yung sabi na ang record. So, yung little chapel na kung saan sila nakita si Mama Mary. Actually, wala pa yung chapel. Ginawa na lang nila after nila nakita si Mama Mary. Kaya siya naging Marian, one of the Marian shrine. And the next Marian shrine is in Lourdes in Paris, which is pupunta rin kami. Ayan yung basilica. Dito naman, dito sa basilica, nakalibing yung 3 bata. And do wear sunscreen kasi medyo mainit talaga. So after, pupunta na kami. Wait, check ko yung aking mask guys. After, pupunta na kami ngayon sa food. Kasi may mask na 12 and hindi na namin siya makikita. Ang ganda ng sky. Yung basilica.
Ito malamig.
Yeah. Actually,
Walang kapunin.
yeah, malamig siya. No shade kasi. Okay. Puro stairs na lang siya. Guys, ito yung 3 bata. Kung kanina nagpakita si Mama Mary. Ayan. Ayan yung tomb ng 3 bata. Kung kanina nagpakita si Mama Mary. Andito siya sa loob ng basilica. Mga pangalan nila. Kung kailan sila pinano na consistently. Galit ako kasi dalawa lang siya. Yung pala andito yung isa. Meron sila. Ito si Third Pasco. Yung kanina sila sila. Bata. Isa ang pangalan na ay si Francisco. Dito, ayan. Yan yung full view dito from sa taas. Grabe yung ibon. May ano siya, pet siya. Meron pang here. Pwede namang pumasok. Tignan lang natin. Yan. So we'll buy candles. Buti na lang guys, malamig kasi medyo sikat talaga ng araw is masikat talaga. So ayun yung full view ng ano. Ayun yung bagong basilica. Basilica din siya. Modern daw. Ito yung old style. Yung pinitahan natin. So Digiboy. Mag-digital shots muna daw siya. The basilica. Is gumagaling si Digiboy kumuha ng pictures. Na-practiceado na siya. So now we will buy a candle or check namin how much it has. So good. So we will buy a candle. Ano gusto mo? Grabe. Tignan yung kandila. So, €1 for the big candle. €1. 0.5. 0.5 mo. 0.5. So, we got our very long candle. May mask kasi guys. Welcome yung candles. So, our very long candle. First time ko nakita na sa Europe. Pero malalaking candle talaga siya. Parang apoy. Grabe yung apoy. Ito grabe yung apoy. Makikiapoy lang tayo. May wax pa kasi siya. Siya na, grabe naman yung init. May ay lalabas na for lunch. Tapos na kami dito sa Fatima. Guys, it's very worth it pumunta dito and just to see the place and see the structures. Grabe, hindi pa rin ako nakaget over dun sa init ng kandila. Parang i-oven silab siya ng
May right across the town for lunch. Yan, may mga souvenir stores din pala siya. So we're times 2. Mas mahal nga here. So medyo nagti-tiktok sila. European boys doing TikTok. Cute. Yan. Small town. Ang dami daw kainan dito. Mga kainan. Yan. Ang dami rin palang mga tindahan pa dito. As you can see. And may mga stores pa. Pero mas mahal na guys yung souvenirs here. Tingin kami ng restaurants. And we're gonna eat. So, ang kyopo. Ang gwapo ng mga server. Charot. Yummy. Ayan o, may buffet o. Ang cute ng small town. Very, very province. Kasi malayo tong Fatima eh. So, meron pa ba? Ayun o, may restaurants pa din. So, just across town. Madami pang restaurants, guys. May pang ano, damit ng priest. Abito ba yun? Museum. Ayan, ang dami po dito. Pero mahal na siya guys. Tourist spot. Ayan, ang mga restaurant. Dito kami. So, ayan. Sabi ng aking bro, okay daw ang price. So, we're gonna eat here. Gonna eat here. Anong food nila? Yes. I'm gonna go to the restaurant. Uy! Akong fine dining. So, ito yung restaurant. Yes, please. Thank you. Wow. We have some bread. Ang menu, ayan.
Hindi, bago natin galawin yung bayad yan.
Ah, okay.
Tama ba?
Guys, don't be ano ha, may bayad pala tong bread. Like the bread, ito, yan. The bread, 65 euro. So, may bayad pala siya. Ano sa'yo?
And then,
so overall, ang ganda niya. What can you say about the Fatima? Wait, interview natin. What can you say about the Fatima?
very nice. Recommend. You should go.
Guys, gutom na siya. Yummy. A little bit of salt. Sarap yung soup. Thank you. Our food. Yung siyang rice. Burger steak. Yung rice nila, alam, niluluto to sa may broth. Ayan. Also, hot purpose rice. So, we have some potato. May red wine. We have some burger. Taste. Dinner. We will try my chocolate mousse as a chocolate flower. So good. Tingnan nyo, ang fluffy. So fluffy. Guys, ito ang aming bill. Yeah. So we had our dessert as well. Busog. It's good. The food is good actually. Pwede na for two, like around, for the both of us. We had soup, 2 entrees, and 1 dessert. It's around 1.6 in peso. Ito na rin. And malaki yung serving niya.
Thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye!